How many reports are needed in order to delete a Instagram account? Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. So here's the thing. Instagram does not delete accounts purely based on numbers of reports. They actually evaluate if the content violates their community guidelines or terms of services. However, if every person is reporting a particular account, then review process goes like this. Each report is individually assessed by Instagram's automated systems and human reviewers. If a violation is confirmed, then Instagram may remove content, issue warnings, or delete the account. So, to summarize, Instagram focuses more on the nature of violation rather than the sheer number of reports when deciding to delete a particular account. I hope that clears up your confusion. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.